My name is Josh Saenz. I'm running for the school board position 7 here at Community ISD. One, because I want to give back to the community. I've got 3 daughters here attending Community ISD. My wife has lived here in Nevada, part of community, her entire life, as well as her family, multiple generations. And my father was an educator for almost 40 years, so I've spent a lot of time within the schools, within education, and it was always something kind of dear to my heart that I wanted to be a part of, and had the opportunity to do so here at Community ISD. My experiences, really part of it is around education. I pursued that right after college to look at going into education, went more into the business route, but my wife has been in education, actually a teacher here at Wiley ISD, teaching English. So spent time around her, seeing what the pros and cons of within education, teaching, and the districts. It's like I talked about my business background. I spent a lot of time on independent pharmacies as part of my profession, working with independents out in rural areas as well as they grow and adapt, working with them to adjust, similar to what's going on here within our district as we look to grow, trying to maintain some of the core principles, beliefs, and what's been strong within this district for the previous years, looking to maintain that and obviously grow it within our education system here at Community ISD. The main thing is just that I care. I care about our students, obviously my daughters being students. I care about the students that are with them as well as our educators. Really, I'm here for the long haul in community where we live. I plan to reside here really for the rest of my life. And I want to be a part of this. I want to be a part of this as we grow. And I care about what the people think. I care about what our administration and our staff think. And I really want to work with this board to just make it really the best district possible for our student, staff, and administration as we look to grow. I'm a personable person. Gotten to meet a lot of people in the community through coaching and being involved here with the district, but just want to encourage anybody out there that doesn't know me and you see me, come shake my hand. I'd love to meet you, hear your background and you know how long you've been here and things about your family so I can get to know y'all. And it also kind of help on the ways that I treat the district as we adapt and change to hear from you and how I can contribute to our school district.